Hello there, everyone. It is me, Brandon, and today I am going to show you what is inside of this Rare Entbrat toy made by Play Monster. So I already got the screws out, so let's just open it. So these are the horns, right? And these are the arms, and the legs too, alright? So this is what's behind. It's like a shell, or something like that. And the mouth is like almost translucent. I don't even know. Well, maybe it is. And the curious thing is, the circuits and the wirings. I'm not the kind of guy who knows about technology and stuff. It's because I'm not like, a scientist or whatever. But what I do know is this supposed to be a light? Because I've seen this before. And I think this is supposed to be a light right here. I think this is like a light bulb. I don't really know what this thing is. Like, maybe in the comments, you can tell me what are these and what its functions. So yeah, it's still functional. And yeah, the reason why I am dissecting or dismantling this figure is because I'm gonna get another one of this, and I am just curious what is inside of a Mice Eating Monsters toy made by Play Monster. And you can see that it's like worn off. The paint is worn off. And I might use this to make a custom. Who knows? Maybe. And we're gonna take a look at these arms. So, this looks like something like for a ratchet joint. But when I articulated the toy itself, it's more like a swivel or a hinge. Same thing goes to the horns and the legs. They all have these grooves. So yeah, I think that's about it. That I show you what's inside of a Play Monster Rare Entbrat toy. So I think this part is the speaker, where it comes out right here. And this is the battery pack. And I think that's mostly what I know. Besides this board thing, and this thing. I kind of know what this thing is, but you can tell me in the comments if you want. Alright, so I'm going to end this video here, and I'm just going to, put everything back on. And I'm going to say this. Magical disappearance.